Now direction cosines or direction ratios of a line joining two points. Now I have drawn a figure here with a line P and Q with the coordinates already given. Now let point P with the coordinates x1, y1, z1 and point Q with the coordinates x2, y2, z2 be two given points. Join P and Q. Let L, M and N be the direction cosines of line PQ. And alpha, beta, gamma be the angles which this line makes with positive direction of x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. Now, therefore, L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta and N is equal to cos gamma. Or when we are explaining like this, we can directly write it because we have already gone through the direction ratios. So we can directly write it. Let L, M and N be the direction cosines and A, B, C or the angles alpha, beta, gamma are the direction angles. Okay. So we have just because we are explaining it, so we can go in the detail now. Draw perpendiculars from, now we have drawn a perpendiculars from P and Q to xy plane. Perpendiculars from P and Q to xy plane meets at M and N respectively. Draw. Now we have to draw PR. Draw PR perpendicular to QN. We have drawn this line. PR perpendicular to QN. Now, in triangle PQR or PRQ, angle PRQ is equal to 90 degree and angle PQR is equal to gamma because we are with the z-axis. Okay. Now what is QR? Now we can write it QR. This portion QR is equal to Qn minus Rn, or this is equal to Qn minus Pm, or this can be written as Z2 minus Z1. Okay. Now cos gamma is equal to QR upon PQ, or this is equal to Z2 minus Z1 upon PQ, or this implies cos gamma is equal to Z2 minus Z1 upon PQ. Now, similarly, we can show L is equal to cos alpha x2 minus x1 upon PQ, M is equal to cos beta y2 minus y1 upon PQ, and we have already proved that cos gamma, that is L, M and N, is equal to Z2 minus Z1 upon PQ. Hence, direction cosine of point direction cosines of, we are just changing a little bit statement, direction cosines of a line passing through x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2 are L is equal to x2 minus x1 upon PQ, M is equal to y2 minus y1 upon PQ, and N is equal to z2 minus z1 upon PQ. And direction ratio of a line passing through points x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2 are x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. So what we are having? We are having